Beneath the moonlight, here I stand, thinking of your smile, soft and grand. Your shadow dances in the gentle air, making the night feel warm and fair. Your light remains softly comforting. Stars are shining, watching us in peace, remembering laughter that slowly cease. I reach for you in dreams so near, though far away, your warmth feels clear. Moonville, keep my heart tonight. Hold the feelings I can't speak right. Through the quiet, through the gentle longing, your light remains softly comforting. Keep my heart tonight, wrap my feelings till they feel right. Through the quiet, through the gentle longing, your light remains softly comforting.